The world gets too loud sometimes. Endless notifications, constant rush, screen time. It clutters your mind until you forget what peace actually feels like. That's why you need to get off the couch and step away. Out here, the pavement ends and the real reset begins. There's something incredibly grounding about sitting in the deep darkness of the woods, completely unplugged from reality. The only light comes from the glow of a campfire and not your cell phone. The only soundtrack is the steady crackle of the campfire. Sharing a space like this with your friends changes everything. It makes it better. There's no agendas, there's no deadlines, just honest conversations, shared laughter around a campfire, ass holes, and a cold beverage of your choice. When you truly strip away the modern world, you finally give your mind room to breathe. You trade stress for the smell of pine and the warmth of fire. You leave the noise behind, feed your soul, and you find your center again. Beautiful area up here. Got some cabins. It's hard to see, but there's some cabins back in there that are for rent. Really cool. We're up about, I'd say 10,000 feet or close to, maybe a little less. But we're actually coming into some rain. So we're trying to get, kind of see there. There's a cloud coming in. It's supposed to be raining for about an hour or so. So we'll probably hunker down inside the amber lamps. We're trying to get the movie going. We've got it streamed, but we forgot a HDMI to iPhone cable for the projector. But we think we can get the Starlink up and going and create a Wi-Fi network. And our goal tonight is to watch the Conor McGregor fight on the movie projector, which is going to be a cool deal. So let's go in, see how we're doing here. So let me tell you about this little chainsaw. I got it from my brother for Christmas last year, and I haven't used it yet. But I gotta tell you, having it at camp and turning these down logs into good, clean, burning firewood is a total game changer. It's also great for if you're on the trail and you come across a down tree. Instead of having to turn around and go back, just cut that thing up. I gotta tell you, this thing works like a champ. And it's under $50, and you really just can't go wrong.
Damn, son. Not bad. Not bad at all. Get some. Ooh. Yeah, it's a toad.
Oh.
Where are you going?
Ugh. Pretty cool. I got this little Japanese thing. It was like $6, but super thin, so it gets hot real quick.
Yeah.
And packs up real small. Great for like tortillas and stuff.
Did it come with different sizes with the handle or just one?
No, just this thing for $6. I've had it forever. So when you're out making food, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner at camp, it doesn't need to be anything crazy. I see a lot of guys with scottles and all kinds of stuff that, you know, it's kind of overkill for camp. I see guys that take hours and hours to prep food, and you know, if you're into that sort of thing, that's cool. I mean, I'm not knocking anybody for that, but to go camping, you don't need to have all the fancy stuff that people show you in these YouTube videos and all these Overland expensive setups. Now, I have an expensive stove because after going through 3 or 4 cheap ones, I realized that it's something that's very important to have for me specifically. But you can do great with a $50 Coleman and, you know, still do well at camp. So don't think that you have to buy all the most expensive gear that's out there and have to have this and have to have that. You can go camping with $100 worth of camp gear and make a good meal. Here I've just prepped some breakfast burritos, really inexpensive. I roll them in foil so I can cook them on the stove, or you can throw them in the campfire. It really doesn't matter. It takes a few minutes to cook. I've got a really inexpensive, like I said, a $6 pan and a couple of foil wraps, and that's my breakfast. So you don't have to go crazy. Just go out, have a good time. Hey, off. Okay, up. Good boy. Sit. Good boy.
Yeah, can't fool flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, bling something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top of the top, I can't never take a break.